The main question wanted to ask was if this is like looks like an effective introduction for Jody, kind of establishing his character, or if or it could be improved.
I think the first page. So basically, he's being rejected by the Ice Queen. The girl here is the Ice Queen, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I will say that first, it will be more pointy. If you in the first comma showing the classroom is fine, but in the second comma, as Ren is saying, I don't think you need 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think you need the third or fourth comma. If you just have like a middle panel, a middle comma of center shot of him being told no and him receiving the expression of shock of being told no, it will be more pointy, it will be spotlighted to him, and it will be more visually appealing than this, and it will bring all the attention to being told no right away in the middle of the page. Then let me see, what can you put in between? Because he's being told no.
I mean, I think this new layout, since our suggestion is like moving his reaction towards being told no in the first page. This entire reaction of the Ice Queen rejecting him could be bigger, but that may mislead the reader, that thinking that the Ice Queen is like the protagonist, so maybe that's not like a good idea. That's what I'm thinking so far.
Yeah, that too. I think you need to make him go into the middle on the first page, and maybe him, not this comma, the last comma that you have on the right page is him looking kind of down, basically. But I think he should be looking to the left and basically hearing what she's saying, just bubbles off screen, basically, of what she's saying. And he's looking at the left, and then we turn the page and we see her on the right side. Also, I think this pose looks like a girl that is very confident and very sexy and might be flirting with him, but she doesn't look cold. I think you have to show a little bit more of her body language more than this. I think it will be better if she has the arms crossed or something. The camera angle is a little bit more down up, kind of, so she's looking down on him, kind of. Again, it's not only about the drawings, like you need to bring feeling into it. So if you make it in a way that she's looking down upon him, and maybe he's just speechless, like in a crouched position, or just like in the floor, or I don't know, but body language is also very important, guys.
If you're serious about making your own manga, then getting feedback is the fastest way to grow. Because honestly, making manga alone is hard. But when you're surrounded by other mangakas and mentors working toward the same goal, everything becomes easier. If you want that kind of mentorship and community, then book a free one-on-one manga consultation call with us. Let's see if we're a good fit to work together.